Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So I'm going to answer a few questions, and it's not going to be a very artistic, fancy video at the moment, but I just want to answer a few questions that were asked and let you guys know that I'll be doing, videos for them soon. But let me get going. So Shayla Carter gave a tip. She said, if you have rubber unmounted stamps, use Aleene's Tack It over and over and use an acrylic block. Let the Tack It over and over dry. Then you can always use your unmounted rubber stamps, put it on there, and then use the stamp. And you don't have to, because I know a lot of people unmount their stamps that have the big wooden blocks on them because they're hard to store and that kind of thing. So that's a great tip. She asked if I would make skin tones in regular paints and yellow undertone and that kind of thing, and I will gladly do that, no problem. Winter Prism with the nail polish. She wants glittery. She wants to know the effects of it, and I don't know that. I suggest if you're gonna have an art journal, use it in your art journal, something that's that you keep. I mean, technically it's enamel, so I mean, I think it's enamel. So I don't know. I've used it before. I've used it on polymer clay as well, but I don't know the lasting effects of it. So, I mean, like I said, for safety, if you're worried about selling something and it not lasting, do it in your art journal. But as far as that, I really don't know anything other than that. I think it's fun to use in your art, but I usually just use glitter glue or something to that effect. Sassafras and Scraps asked to do a worthy art journal page, which I'm going to do this week. Beatles fan Sonia said or asked why I don't, when I do modeling paste, why I don't just do piles of colors. And there's many reasons why. One is room, because I'm a hot mess. Two is because if I have extra, then I have to find containers for it because I hate wasting. As much as sometimes if I do a video and I kind of waste a little bit, I hate wasting. So if I have these piles, then I have to find containers for them, and then that gets to be a pain in my butt. So that's why I don't do it, but you definitely can. It wouldn't hurt anything. As a matter of fact, I have a one of those palettes that stay wet. I could probably do it on that and keep it for a couple weeks and not bother anything. But that's why I do it. But you do whatever you want. Um, Nancy Zhang asked about portfolio. Oil Pastel Portfolios is the brand name and what to do with them. She just got them. She doesn't know. And so I'll do a video on that. But to give you a quickie, because who doesn't love a quickie? They are oil pastels. So you would use them like you would use a normal oil pastel. You can use them with your fingers, with a applicator, with a makeup sponge, whatever you have, and thin them out, or you can use them and they become kind of watercolory. So you just use water on your brush and go ahead and use them. And if you're going to do a sky or something like that, just scribble some of it on there, wet it, and it gives you this really great, intense kind of, pastel sky watercolor look. I also like to use Mod Podge with it. Because I will wet them with Mod Podge so it makes them permanent, because remember, oil pastels are not permanent. So I like to do that as well, but that's a whole other video and that kind of thing. June Stuterman, I hope I said that correctly. Great tip, because mine's still sitting here and I did not get it open yet. She said take a little Vaseline on the rim of your glue bottles and it won't stick. The lids won't stick. Hello. So I'm going to start doing that once I get Dave to open these for me, because you know what? I'm lazy. I use them. It's a thing. I try to wipe them off. Lauren Wood got Beastie Boys. I'm always singing Beastie Boys, and she got Paul Revere. So thank you. Hi, Lauren. And Shayla Carter again. She wanted to know about masking parts off of a painting to paint other paints, which is the. Let me see if I have it sitting here. Oh, let me see. Yeah. For here, where I did this and the flower, if I masked this off, and what that means is take a piece of paper or a piece of whatever you have and just cut this out. And then you put it on here. So once you put it on here, you can paint over it and everything, and you can use repositional tape you know what I mean? So it comes off and doesn't rip. Or just hold it, whatever. But I mean, and then you can paint over it. So, you know, maybe you want to change something in the background or paint a flat, whatever it is. And then it doesn't, you know, mess up what you have. So masking's great. I'm lazy. And sometimes when I'm doing a video and I have limited time or what have you, I hate making long videos all the time because not everybody digs them. But you know, I would do like all that kind of thing, and maybe I will in a future video, because you guys are always asking mixed media start to finish, like everything. I really want to do a live stream, but so maybe I'll do something like that where I'm including all those things. Also, I put up a video the other day, and it played. Don't ask me what I did. Fibro fog. I'm a stunad. I don't know, but I put it twice, the full video, and then at the end was the real ending. So all I did was add it in twice. So if you forward, you'll see that the ending is on there, but I'm gonna re-upload it so it's one piece. So if you're interested, you can watch it. If not, it's no big deal. I'm a mess. What do you want? I also have a video coming up of Clever Fox planners, which I'm so excited for. And that'll be coming up. Plus I have a few videos that I have. YouTube's been really weird lately, so when I try to upload, sometimes it just will get so far and freeze, and then I got to re-upload. It's been crazy, so I haven't been able to put up too many like I want. So I hope you guys don't mind if I put up a couple. And yeah, I think that's it right now. I think that's all I got. All I got. I like how this looks, like makes you dizzy. So yeah, so I hope that, you know, those few questions, and like I said, I'll do videos on them. Any other questions, whatever they are, personal, regular, any questions, leave me down below. I'll answer in another video. I've been trying to write them down and go through them and be more, you know, present and answering questions. Yeah. I love you guys. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, shorty. I love you. Bye-bye.